Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how to download and install ChatGPT in your Mac. So if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the process is going to be same. First of all, if you go in App Store and if you search for ChatGPT, it will display results for ChatGPT, and as you all can see, it is showing AI chatbot, it is showing chatbot option over here, and it is displaying multiple applications, but none of the application displayed over here is original ChatGPT. Now how can you install ChatGPT then? So you just have to go to any particular browser. If you're using Safari, go to Safari. If you're using Google Chrome, go to Google Chrome, or you can just simply open any particular browser and go to google.com and search for ChatGPT download. So once you search for ChatGPT download, you get multiple links over here, and you can see there is a link of openai.com and you get download ChatGPT option. Now OpenAI is the creator of ChatGPT, so this is the original ChatGPT. You can simply select this download ChatGPT option, and on the next page, again it will display download ChatGPT. If you go down, you get an option to download for mobile as well as for desktop. Now if you're using a Windows PC or laptop, you can select download for Windows. If you're using Mac, then you just have to select download for macOS. Now it will show you a pop-up screen, and you just have to select allow option over here, and now you can see download has started. Now once the download is complete, you can just simply go to download option over here at the top, and now you can see chatgpt.dmg file has been downloaded. You can select this search icon and it will basically show that downloaded file in Finder. Now this is the file. All you have to do is just simply double tap on that file, and you will get a pop-up screen like this. Now all you have to do is you just have to add ChatGPT to application. So you can just click and hold, and you can just simply drag it to application and leave it, and within few seconds automatically the ChatGPT application will be installed in your Mac. So if I close this for now, so now if I go in Launchpad over here in my Mac, you can see ChatGPT is installed successfully. So just tap on the application to open it, and this is the welcome page. You can continue with your Google account or you can sign up with email. So just complete the login process, and then you can start using ChatGPT however you want. Now one more thing, if I close ChatGPT application from here, you can still access it from the menu bar. You can see ChatGPT icon is added in the menu bar. You can just simply select that particular icon, and you can again open ChatGPT instantly. So yeah, this is how simple it is to download and install ChatGPT in your Mac. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.